Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn that how can we remove the background of any image in Canva for free. So in Canva, if you upload any image and if you try to remove the background of this image, just click on this edit photo. There is one option BG remover that is available in the paid version. So if I want to remove the background of this image for free, so I have to explore the tab that is apps. Scroll for the tab app and now search for the app that is the background remover, background eraser. So this is the free app. Now click on this particular app, remove this image from the poster and upload this image from here. Just click on this choose file and upload the image that you want. So I have selected this image and I'm going to click on this button remove background, and see the background of this image is removed. So before the image was like this and now the image is like this. So we have removed the background of this image for free in Canva. I hope you like this video and follow if you want more tips of Canva.